On today's episode, it's a typical Friday in the body shop.
I'm gonna go ahead and put this one together so we can. This one's all wrapped up. I'm gonna take it on to clean up.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm round in the corner. This ain't a persona, I do this for real. I'm hungry, success is the dinner, and greatness will come with the meals. Oh, I said come with the meals. Mean I get money to blow, mean I get watches and diamonds, and that's in my pocket and plenty more just for the show. Just so you know, I ain't get put on, boy, I just put on home for my fam. Made the decision, I wasn't satisfied how I was living, so I got on mine and then bang.
What is up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 95 of Inside the Body Shop. Hope you guys are having a great Friday. So, bouncing around a bunch today. I didn't get to catch everything on video today, so I didn't get to put everything on this episode, but I got most of my day put on it. So, first thing is I got back on the Honda Civic, starting to fit up parts, getting going on that. Then I got stopped on that because I had to build a Camry. I fixed a few days ago. You guys might remember it if you saw, I think it was Wednesday's episode, if I remember right. Had to go ahead and throw that one together. Got painted this morning, so put it together so it could go home today. Got that one finished up. Then I got back on the Honda Civic, worked on that for a while, and I had to go help build another one at the end of the day, a Buick Regal. Didn't get to record that one either, but that's okay. That was my day today. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you do, please click that share button. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly, greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys. And I will talk to you guys on Monday. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Check out my day.
All right, I'm having a pause on this Civic again. I have this Camry. I did the metal work on this whole bottom of this quarter panel a few days ago. I think it was Wednesday, I believe. And it turned out really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one together so we can let it go home today, get it finished up. Just came out of the paint booth. This one's all wrapped up. I'm gonna take it on to cleanup. Send it home. Almost forgot the pinstripe. Now it's good to go. Off to cleanup. Alright, I finally have this one just about fit up and ready to weld. Everything looks good. I'm going to get back on it Monday. That's a wrap for the day.
I stay putting in that work.